Welcome back to QVM. I'm your AI tools specialist, and today I'm bringing you another 5 AI websites so powerful they feel illegal to use. The third one literally saves me $500 monthly, and the last one, well, you'll see why I almost kept it secret. I'm not talking about ChatGPT or the usual suspects everyone knows about. These are hidden AI tools that can replace entire teams, save you 15+ hours weekly, and honestly, some feel too good to be true. Tool number 3 actually scared me when I first tried it. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why I said these feel like cheat codes for life. Before we start, here's what's coming. An AI that generates complete business plans in 30 seconds. One that removes anything from photos like magic, and a tool so powerful it could replace entire departments. If any of these blow your mind, smash that like button. I need to prove to YouTube this content is worth sharing with more people. Let's start with the most shocking one. Tool number 1, Gamma app. This first tool kept me awake until 3 a.m. because what it can do honestly shouldn't be legal. Gamma app isn't just another AI assistant. It creates complete documents, presentations, and business plans with professional formatting and intelligent content. Not templates, full developed content. I asked it to create a complete business plan for a coffee shop. In 30 seconds, I got market analysis, financial projections, marketing strategies, operational procedures. Each section fully developed with actual insights, not placeholder text. Students can turn essay prompts into researched papers with citations. Marketing teams can create complete campaign strategies with budgets and timelines. This could replace graphic designers, content writers, and researchers for most tasks. But wait until you see what this next tool can do to photos. Tool number 2, clean up pictures. This next tool is pure magic, and I mean that literally. Professional photo editing used to need expensive software and years of training. Photoshop costs $20 monthly and takes forever to master. Cleanup Pictures makes it mental simple. Upload any photo and remove absolutely anything you don't want. Random person photo bombing your perfect shot, paint over them, gone. Power lines ruining your sunset, vanished. That awkward X in your group photo, deleted from existence. But it's not just removal. Change colors, fix lighting, replace backgrounds, all in seconds. Photos that would take Photoshop experts 45 minutes are done in 30 seconds, often with better results. The basic version is completely free with no watermarks. This level of editing shouldn't be this accessible, but this next tool makes photo editing look simple. Tool number 3, Perplexity AI. Stop using Google like it's 2005. This AI tool completely eliminates research frustration. When you Google anything, what happens? Wall of ads, random blog posts, opening 8 tabs trying to find one decent answer. It's digital detective work for simple questions. Perplexity AI gives you instant, sourced answers instead of endless links. Think of it as a research assistant who's read the entire internet and can synthesize information immediately. Ask it complex questions like, compare the top 5 productivity tools with pricing and features, and get complete comparisons in seconds. You can have full conversations, ask follow-ups, get explanations in simpler terms. I've replaced 90% of my Google searches with Perplexity. What used to take 30 minutes of research now takes 2 minutes, and it's completely free. But tool number 4 is actually controversial. Tool number 4, Durable Co. Building websites used to be a nightmare. Spend weeks learning WordPress, or pay developers $2,500 and wait months. Durable Co. makes this obsolete. Tell it your business type, and in 30 seconds it builds a complete professional website that looks like something you'd pay thousands for. Yeah, I tested this with a fake fitness business, personal training studio in London focusing on strength training. 30 seconds later, complete website with custom content, professional design, booking systems, client testimonials that actually made sense. The editing is simple. Don't like something? Click and change it. Need new pages? Tell it what you want, and it creates complete pages with appropriate content. They're freelancers, local businesses, side hustles, professional online presence in under 5 minutes. What used to cost thousands now takes seconds. But the final tool, I almost didn't share this one. App. This last tool eliminates the worst part of any job, making presentations. Sunday night, you need a pitch deck for Monday morning, hours spent picking fonts, finding images, aligning text boxes. By 2 a.m., you're exhausted and it still looks terrible. Dome app creates professional presentations in 30 seconds. Describe what you want and watch it build everything. Slides, content, images, formatting. Need a presentation about digital marketing strategies? Type that in. Tome creates slides with actual frameworks, statistics, visual elements. Don't like the design? Regenerate it. Want different colors? One click. Students can turn lecture notes into polished presentations. Entrepreneurs can create pitch decks that look professionally designed. Sales teams can build custom proposals in minutes. It's like having a design agency that works at the speed of thought. Before I tell you how to access all these tools, which one shocked you most? Drop just the tool name in the comments. I read every single one. And here's what's crazy. These 5 tools are just the beginning. I've found 7 more AI websites, even more powerful than these. Should I reveal them? All these tools have free versions or cost less than a Netflix subscription. I'll put direct links in the description, but watch this full video first because the order matters. Each tool builds on the last, and you'll want to understand the complete system before diving in. Think about what you just learned. Complete business documents in seconds, professional photo editing without skills, instant research instead of Google rabbit holes, websites built faster than you can describe them, presentations that look like you hired a designer. These aren't just productivity improvements, they're unfair advantages that compound daily. Remember those 7 more AI tools I mentioned? They're even more shocking than these. AI that writes software code, creates Hollywood-quality videos, composes music indistinguishable from human artists. But this channel is new, and I don't know if people are ready for AI that powerful. These aren't just tools, they're paradigm shifters that could change how you think about work itself. Should I make that video? If you want to see AI tools that feel like science fiction, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. When I drop that next video, you want to be among the first 1,000 people who know about these before everyone catches on. Which tool are you trying first? And if this helped you, share it with someone who's grinding through work that should take minutes, not hours. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. Don't get left behind.